Good morning. I'm Gokul from CSC department. Let's see the experiment of X16 hurdles game 2D in the subject of concepts of virtual and augmented reality. And then first of all we install an Unity hub and create a project and then select 3D plane structure. After opening this, it may take some times and create a new file and then insert a assets, whatever assets you need for the game's requirements. Assets we need to insert on that. And then hierarchy, first hierarchy, save the scene first and then main camera, and then we install the track, body removing preview, and then hurdles, and then coin, and then canvas, and then event system, game manager. These are in the plane of hierarchy side. As you seen the visualization of that's the boy, and then that's the hurdles, and then coins. These are the assets which plays the major role in the scenes. For this we have to give code, then only this program can run. For player, if we in the game the procedure is the player runs and jump and get the coins, the score may increase. For this we have to use code, that is C sharp. For those two program has been used for player and then score. For score, it has been increased when the player touches it. For player, for moving and then grasping and then jumping, for the code, that code in that player C sharp. For increasing the score, that type of code in the score C sharp. This is the player C sharp. First we using the system collections, we use the collections state, and then generic, using the generic engine. I mean generic means the collection of packages from the library, like that. And then using the Unity engine, because we're using the Unity engine, so we add that line. And public class player mono behavior, that's mono is single behavior is plays that in that. And then public float means point values, like that. And then speed comma jump force, how that speed it's moving, and then jump force that can be calculated, so using the public. And then private rigid body 2D RB, for that why we can use a polygonal or some rigid body, like that. So here place that rigid body. Public score CC, and then white start, that when he starts, like that white start. And then RB is equal to get component rigid body 2D, structure of 2D, so that we used 2D. And then void update float move int input, like that. Input dot get axis in the horizontal way, and then transform dot position is equal to new vector move, input like a 0, 0, speed time comma delta time. And then it's a formula to calculate the speed and the time and how that it want to move, like that. Like this, that formulas has been added. And then private void and trigger enter 2D collider 2D other. It's an trigger means when it touches the coin, like that. Other dot compact destroy, when the for this code what it plays the role means, when the boy touches the, I mean when the boy touches the coin, the coin will be destroyed. So that code only here is mentioned, nothing but the this is for I think this is for it's for coins. For coins it must be same, using system collisions, generic Unity engine, like that. Public class score mono behavior, and then public int coin count, we using here as the coin count. and then text value. For increasing the score, it will mean the value of text no, so that only we give on that. And then void start, the program initialized to start, and then update value dot text is equal to count. The value has been increased in the score box when the coin has been captured by the boy, so that the coin count has been mentioned as the string. Thank you.